Neck stretch 5 times. Interlock your fingers and place them behind your neck. Bring the elbows together as you exhale and take them apart as you inhale. Repeat for 5 times. Complete your round and take your chin closer to the chest. Hold it there for 5 to 8 seconds. Slowly bring your head to the center and relax. The wow. Repeat 10 times. Release the tension on your face by opening your mouth and saying wow in an exaggerated way. Open your mouth wide while saying wah and make an O out of your mouth while saying O. You do not necessarily have to say the word wow out loud. Shoulder relaxer. Repeat for 15 times. Place your palms on your shoulder and tap them for 15 times. You can alternatively roll them back to reduce the tightness. Neck press. Repeat for 30 times. Place the fingertips at the back of your neck and press the muscles on either side of your spine. You can deepen the practice by tilting the head slightly backwards. This is a great practice to relieve neck pain. The forehead push. Repeat for 5 times. Make a fist of your palms and place the knuckles of your forefinger and middle finger at the center of your forehead. Apply slight pressure and slide the fingers to the sides towards the hairline. Bring your fingers back to the center and repeat. Butterfly on your forehead. Repeat for 3 sets. Hold for 10 seconds. Place the forefinger, middle and ring finger at the center of your forehead. Slide your hands towards the hairline and look down. Hold for 10 seconds. Relax and repeat. Frown smoothener. Bend your index finger and place the knuckle at the depression under the eyebrow center. Stroke upwards till you reach your hairline. Repeat for 1 minute. The frown preventer. Hold for 20 seconds. Continue for 1 minute. Place your index finger and middle finger at your eyebrow center. Apply firm pressure. Lift the fingers up and slide the fingers slightly away from each other. Hold for 20 seconds. Release and repeat.